Hey guys, my name's Alfred Trapp, project manager at America's Home Place in Calhoun. And today, on this beautiful rainy day, we are at the Walton I model, very near completion. This plan's really about as open can get. You've got your living room here, dining room in the back there, all open to your kitchen right this way. And the kitchen island included in this house. Awesome features in the kitchen, such as some soft close drawers. So those are completely standard for our location. Standard granite option here. We've got about 10 or 15 other colors you can choose from. This is also our standard suite of appliances. You can get those in all black or the stainless and black combo as you see it. Everything but the refrigerator is included in an America's Home Place home. Staggered height on the cabinets is a standard feature for us. So this customer also added a quite large deck off the back of the home. It actually extends all the way down to the master bedroom area, which we'll see in just a minute. All the bedrooms in this home are on this side, on the same side of the home. This is the larger of the two guest rooms, about a 12 by 11 with a walk-in closet behind this door here. This would be the smaller of the two guest rooms. This homeowner, I believe, is going to use this as an office. And as you can see, nice size storage space there, good size closet. Right off the hallway here is the guest bathroom to serve these two guest bedrooms. As you can see, this homeowner did our standard tub shower combo unit there, and granite countertops for the Calhoun office are standard in the bathrooms now. Delta faucets and your choice of finishes. And at the end of the hallway here, you have the master bedroom. Great size room, easily fit a king size bed in here. And what this homeowner did was take and added, instead of a window on the back of the house, added in a French door off the back of the master, and as I said earlier, has access to that back deck that stretches all the way over to the kitchen area. So this is the master bathroom here. Pretty standard per plan and per our company standards. Granite counters, Delta faucets, and your selection of finishes, soft close drawers. The two things this homeowner did differently was to add the window, the narrow window over the shower, the tub shower here. Great option if you want to let in some more natural light, but also maintain privacy. This homeowner added a second sink in here. This has been the Walton. Thanks for watching along with us. If you want to learn more about this plan, visit us at americashomeplace.com and be sure to like and subscribe below.